Hi guys, welcome back to your Not So Ordinary Scrapbook channel. For today's video, I want to go through this warehouse box that I got from Freckled Fawn recently. It just came in the mail. I haven't looked at it yet. So basically right now they're having a warehouse sale that's currently going on, and you can purchase a warehouse box for $37, and that includes shipping. So that's what I paid for this box, and I have no idea what's in it, but I thought I'd share it with you. Let me rip that off. I kind of destroyed the box when I was opening it. So let's see what we've got here. Looks like there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay, so there's full sheets. I didn't realize that Freckled Fawn did full sheets, 12 by 12 sheets, but apparently they did. So I already see some stuff that I like. Okay, so we've got some blue enamel dots. Oh, where should I set this? I don't know where to set this. Okay. Then we got some, looks like brown and gold enamel dots. What's this? Some wood veneer. Some more wood veneer. It says yay, fun, and hey. Some labels. It's been gorgeous out here lately. I've been scrapbooking like the past 3 days, I think. It's just been so gorgeous out. I've been scrapbooking outside, and that's my absolute favorite thing to do. It's just sit outside, and I could spend all day outside, I swear. When the weather is like this, I don't even need to go in the house at all. I love this weather. It is perfect. It's like, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's not windy. It's just perfect weather. Sit at the table and read a book. I'm already halfway through my second book that I started like in a week, so I'm excited to like sit outside and do all the things that, you know, all the relaxing things that one does when it's nice outside. And aside from work, relaxation wise, these are both like nutcracker stickers, puffy stickers, which is nice for restock my Christmas stash. This is some chipboard stickers. Plant Mama, Crazy Plant Lady, I Make Things Grow, Time to Plant Things, Grow, Go, Grow. Proud Plant Mom, My Life's a Mess, but my plants are thriving. Just one more. I wouldn't exactly call myself a plant mom. I mean, they are living things, but, and I do take care of them, but I don't know. I don't have a lot of plants right now. I prefer perennials outside. Lovely, wonderful, smile, you and me, living the good life, beautiful life, a day to remember. Cute. More chipboard. This is 2022 wood veneer. Ooh, lots of letter stickers. I love that. Gold Market Street letters, or Market Tile letters, green, and some navy blue Market Tile letters, and another turquoise sheet. I have these ones right now, so I can just replenish like the letters that I don't have. Might have that green sheet too, I'm not sure. Wood veneer plants, those are cute. Very, very cute. Those look like my monstera plant. This is some butterflies, black and like a grayish brown. Grayish, I guess is what it's called, grayish. Some flowers and butterfly labels. Some more labels. I always call these like foundational pieces for my clusters or journaling bits. This is where I journal, is predominantly on the labels. Multicolored labels. Okay, so this is, it's a good day for a good day. You are my person, the best of friends. You are the best, lovely, oh so awesome. This is our adventure. Always love you. Make me so happy. You are so cute. Joyful. We make good memories. You are so amazing. You are so loved. Happy day. Wonderful. Enjoy, celebrate. True love. You plus me. So much love. Remember, my heart is full. Special moments. Darling. Having fun. Let's get together. You are my favorite person. So these are all chipboard phrases. Some more Christmas. Joyful, be married, December 25th. Decorating the tree, our Christmas morning, Merry Christmas, oh holy night, laughter, wrap up all the things, family traditions, merry and bright, love, holiday shopping, the reason for the season, and twinkle lights. More chipboard shapes. This looks like a fall one. Autumn, real life. Autumn traditions, simply the best, makes me so happy, good memories, love this right now. More chipboard shapes. The days of the week, so very good, just be yourself, this is my story and it is magic, so very happy. These are the months of the year and goals, big plans, dreams this year. These are washi tape stickers. So we've got those. What you gonna do, Scoob? You gonna jump into my video? Some more washi tape stickers. More washi tape stickers. Fall washi tape stickers. Florals. And another chipboard shapes. This says everyday life, yes please, have fun, happy times, our memories, a happy place, very noteworthy. Okay, so then there's some 12 by 12 sheets of paper, which, oh my goodness, there's a lot of 12 by 12 sheets of paper. Holy moly. There's a ton. That is shocking. Like I said, I never knew Freckled Fawn even sold 12 by 12 sheets, but they were doing, I guess they were doing page kits for a while. So maybe that's what this is, but I don't know. I know that I've never gotten 12 by 12 sheets from Freckled Fawn before, but I'm excited because I love pattern paper. My favorite thing. So we've got pencils. Ooh, it's double-sided. Ooh, that's pretty. This is it's a blush pink with, I don't know if you can see it on camera because it looks almost gray, but it's a blush pink and gold. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous paper. And there is 2 sheets of that. I've got a pesky fly in here. This time of year, I tell you, we leave the door open, the sliding glass door, for the dogs so they can run in and out of the house because we have a fenced-in yard. And then the flies all come in because the screen door, well, we don't have a screen door. We need a new sliding glass door, to be honest. There never was a screen door on there. So navy blue pinstripes. And then this is kind of a blush pink gold. Kind of goes with this paper pretty well. That's pretty cute. I prefer the pinstripe side though. And another sheet of that. She must get 2 sheets of each. I don't know because this is like just a warehouse box, so I don't know what's all in it. And then this looks like some stars, like starbursts, I guess I would call them, diamonds. And then this is like a, I don't know, but it reminds me of the 70s. Reminds me of the Partridge Family, if you ever watched that. I mean, I'm too young to have watched it like as a regular show, like when it was prime time, but it was definitely on after school, like reruns of it. But that reminds me of the Partridge Family. Green, different shades of like a, it's kind of a blue green, kind of a, I wouldn't call it, I don't know, this is like a mint. This is more of a hunter, and this is more of a, it's not turquoise, it's like a, I don't know what color I would call that. I don't know, blue-green. And then a circular thing. This is really cute. Actually, there is a, I recently saw a layout done with similar paper. So, I might have to scrap lift that with that. Stop! Get away from me. Fly. And some pretty gingham in like a dusty blue, light blue, and then a gold. This fly is not going to leave me alone through this whole video. It's just going to drive me crazy. Okay, and this is sage green polka dots. And then this is a wood grain. This reminds me of, this wood grain reminds me of when we used to like peel pulp or peel poplar wood, like to make fence posts. That's what it looked like underneath. This is a floral, pretty. And then a perpendicular stripe in navy. I can't believe how much paper is in here. This is crazy. Another floral with like a dusty pink background. And then, ooh, that's pretty. That's a ledger paper in like a pastel yellow, butter yellow, I would call it. Very pretty. This is more like an Easter egg stripe. And this is like a very light gold grid. Large grid. So far I've gotten 2 of each. So this is like a black polka dot, or is it navy blue? I think it's black. And then this yellow, butter yellow again. I would say that this was worth the $37. This is a lot of paper. Especially paper, but then also getting embellishments as well. Floral, and then these, like, this, what color would this be? It's like a mint green, kind of mint, but not really. It's more like a, oh, what color is that? Like a seafoam green. Or seafoam blue. This is like a turquoise kind of, or teal type of color, or cerulean blue. And then this is a blush pink floral, same. This is more of a turquoise or teal. And then a multicolor polka dot. So this must be Freckled Fawn brand paper, because of the fact that it's cardstock for sure, and it's very thick in quality. It's very good quality. But there is no like branding strips on it that says another company or designer, so I'm pretty sure that this is Freckled Fawn. Which I don't think Freckled Fawn sells anything that's not from their own shop. So this is a perpendicular stripe in teal, and then this really pretty large floral that would be really pretty fussy cut it out, or intricately cut out, if you don't like the words fussy. A rainbow stripe, and these like really pretty light blue hearts. There's another sheet of that. I love the feel of this paper. It's very thick and it's matte, so it's not like shiny, easy to write on. It's really good quality paper. I wish I would have known that they sold paper, but I didn't know. Some really pretty tiny flowers and a light blue grid, tiny grid. And then this is a pink perpendicular stripe, pinstripe, and like a seafoam green gingham. Very pretty. And these really pretty yellow daisies, and like a gold grid, perpendicular grid. There's two of those. A butterfly paper, and some pink polka dots. I'm getting to the end. I don't know how many sheets of paper there were in there. And then a really pretty green leaf and a green background. I love this green background. Boy, this doesn't do it justice. My camera doesn't. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I wish I could give you the right color, but I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. It's like the prettiest green. It's really pretty. I can't get the color right. I don't know why, but okay, well that's it. That is everything that I got in the warehouse box for Freckled Fawn. Overall, I'm pleased. I'm happy with what I got. This is an awful lot of paper and embellishments on top of that. That's just insane. I did not expect like this. I've gotten grab bags from them before, but never with a bunch of paper. So I'm pretty pleased. So I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.